how to continue the remaining next session topic, that is inventory management system. In the last session we have learned about home page and we have learned about home page and client information, as well as we have seen how to perform the operations regarding client insertions to save the client, as well as how to delete, update, clear and print, as well as how to fetch the data which is stored into my database into the JTable, and to show the data into appropriate control fields of the swing, and to apply search event. So today we shall see about transaction. Transaction module. So in the transaction module, you can see here, whenever you enter the client ID like to Shankara, so you can able to enter the informations like vehicle number. Suppose Shankara has inverted the vehicle number like 34 or 12, suppose DD 343423, description regarding sugar, then date, delivery date, some dummy date, and source location, maybe he's bringing from Patna, Bihar, then length around 25 feet, weight 100 kg, height around 10, amount each 10, then price 20 rupees kg. Remark, I want to sold sugar 20 kg, some, and you can able to perform save if saved, and here Shankara. Okay, you can able to delete also, so you can able to delete, as well as you can able to update, you can able to print. So we shall see all the information now. So Shankara Telecom Company, Rajesh, Parvati, Shankara, Ganesha. In the some other modules like invert data also you can able to perform add or save, clear or print. Here you can go for print, you can go for search, analytical statistics, and this analytical statistics shows all the informations in the form of charts. This we shall see in the next session, upcoming session. So here is your analytical statistics, and final refresh and log out. Now today we are going to proceed about transaction module. Yesterday we have seen home and client. Now let us continue transaction. Let us continue about transaction. Okay, fine. So let us see one by one, step by step. So last time I had discontinued. Tomorrow morning we'll continue as per Indian Standard Time, 10 o'clock. So what the transaction module is. So we have to add already created project as a transaction frame into my trading project, or you can call inventory project. Okay boss, fine. So let me add the page frame name called transaction.java. So right click, copy. So this is my inventory, go up. So right click on the inventory system. So let me go for new JFrame form. So here hit OK and give the name called transaction, hit finish. Once you hit the finish, we'll go for next step. So this is my transaction frame. We'll go to next step. So we have to copy three J panels of home.java and paste to transaction.java. So go to home. So this is the home. So I'm going to copy all. So right click, copy here. I have copied. So see here how I'm doing. Just open home.java already we have seen how to create this view, last time. Okay, so just copy this all three panels: header panel, menu panel, and body panels. Okay, so I'm copying all these panels. So right click here, then copy, go to transaction.java and simply right click here, paste. So you can see everything comes as a header panel, menu panel, and body panel. But once you copy and pasted the all header panel, menu panel, and body panel, so you can see here, you can see all the templates as it is. Just what you have to do, you have to remove all these images into my body panel. You have to remove all the images from the body panels. So how to remove, let us check. So right click, delete. So simply delete all those images, delete all those images. So here you can see deleted, delete this also, and so delete this image also, and delete this image also. So deleted now, all deleted. So this is your home. So let me change the frame name. Transaction. Let me go up somewhat. Transaction frame main. So just I want to apply the frame name here. Where is my frame name? So this is the frame. Select the frame here, and title I want to give as a inventory. So you can see here, somewhat scroll down, scroll left, sorry, inventory. Then this is my transaction. So let me check it here. What is the name? Transaction data items. Transaction data items. Okay, that's fine. So you can see the label here, as well as once you add transaction data items, just let me see how it looks now. I want to change the background color of the panel. So let me keep somewhat pale yellow or like orange color. Hit OK. Okay, boss, fine. So it will give somewhat change color. Okay, guys. So now what you have to do? Go to home.java, transaction data items, right click events, go to mouse clicked, and here remove here. Now what should I do? So here this dot dispose, just call here this dot dispose. I'm calling here, and new transaction dot set visible, call here true. Okay, so here I call true, as well as do repeat the same operation. In client information. So go to client. In the client, already I applied the event on the home. So let me check it once again. Yes, mouse clicked. Okay, let me go to now client not required, transaction data items, events. So here mouse clicked. So transaction data items, right click, client information, here events, mouse clicked. So simply call here, what shall we call? This dot dispose. Let me dispose this current form, close the current, just close current form, that is client, and call not transaction. So here transaction T new transaction T dot set visible, call here true. Okay guys, fine. Then this application looks. So this is client, this is transaction data items. Okay, client and transaction data items. Go to home, then transaction data items. I think I haven't applied. Let me check it here. Client, this is client, home, then on the home page, yes, on the client, yes. Okay guys, now go to transaction data items, home I forget to call, then as well as you have to move to transaction data items. Now client information is done. This is my transaction, design, source, design. So right click here, right click, events, mouse clicked, design, right click on home, events, mouse clicked. So what shall we call here? Again same, repeat the same process. This dot dispose, this dot dispose. So this dot dispose, and you can call here new home dot set visible, call here true, call here true. Okay boss, fine. Now so dispose also done. So go to design. Actually yellow, I want to change to yellow to somewhat like white color, plain white, so to get good fill. Close. Okay guys, done. Last time already I used yellow, this time I'm not happy with yellow. Just go for design, go for design. So see, go to inventory, trading. What are the panels we need to add? And after adding the panels, source package, trading, and here is your my transactions. This is the transactions. What I have to do, I have to add one panel here, one panel for JTable, two panel for your control fields, and three panel for your operations. So let me add all the panels. So but one thing is, keep in mind, here is border view na, so remove the border. So remove the border and make the border for, I don't want border, bevel border. So here no border, hit OK for home, and I want the border for transaction data items. So border, I want the border for here, bevel border. Okay, hit OK, fine, save. Means this will be on current page, this will be on my current page. So don't disturb anything, and just go for adding the J panel, adding the J panel. So here is my J panel, drag and simply drop. Okay, and this J panel for JTable, this J panel is for JTable. Okay guys, more than enough. Now you have to add one more panel. I think I have to decrease somewhat size. Okay, more than enough, fine. So this is my transaction, and let me give the name called transaction delivery report. So right click, so here border, select title border, transaction delivery items, all items informations. all items information. Okay guys, fine. So you can increase the font and color your wish as per your choice. So go for dark blue and change the font to somewhat like bold. Keep it 14 or 18 like this. Okay, hit OK. Okay guys, so for panel done. Just we have to add here one JTable. So search for JTable. Search for JTable. Yes, it's here JTable. So drag and drop here. Okay. No. Okay, fine. JTable is added. Just to decrease the width. Yes, it's more than enough. We'll go for applying the slider and decrease the panel height is increase. So go to left, page up, then up to here. Okay guys, so this is my JPanel. JPanel contains one JTable. Okay, fine, almost done. Then add one more JPanel for your widgets, control widgets. So panel, drag and drop here. This JPanel for adding the control fields. And I need one more panel for operations. Okay guys, fine. So what's the border here? Select this operation panel and give the name called title border and give the label here operations. So go to here, bold, somewhat 14. Okay, more than enough. And change the color to somewhat like, I want to go for this time reddish. Hit OK. Okay. And is it crossing limit? No. This panel also no border. Select the control panel, go for title border, then here give the names called, maybe I want to give the name called delivery items. Delivery items. Which one? Select this panel, go to border, title border, items. Okay, and change to border like bold 14. Okay, change the color, hit OK. Okay, not deliver items, delivery items is required. So here properties, so otherwise title border, okay, fine, very good. Now just add the widgets and the control components. So what are the control components required? I need total 12, like client ID, client name, vehicle number, description. Okay, fine. So let us add one by one. I need 6 labels here and 6 labels here. So where is my label? Escape, swing controls, expand the swing control and here is JLabel 1. I need JLabel 2, label 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay guys, so what are the labels? Client ID, client name, vehicle number. So right click, edit text, client ID. Okay, then right click, edit text, client name, then vehicle number, edit text. I think these all must be here. Then what is the next label? Description, delivery date, and here edit text, description, then right click, delivery date, then after this we need source location. Right click, edit text, source address or source location. Okay guys, fine. So right click here, edit text. Okay, done. So adjust in a line. Okay, fine. So I need same, Control C, Control C, right click, copy, and right click, paste. So get all these items and keep somewhere here like this, because I want to replicate all the informations. And here length, width, height, change, edit text, right click, length, then width, height, amount, right click, edit text, width, height, amount, price or discount, price and remark. Right click, edit text, price, discount only, no remark, it's a remark. So right click, edit text, remark. Okay boss, fine. And give the name here, right click, edit text, I think it's length. I forget to click the enter key, LNGTH. Okay, done. That's it. So now just drag one by one items here and delivery date. Before this, so let me change the Control A. Now just select by pressing the Control key all the labels. We will apply unique properties. We'll change their font as well as we'll change their labels and colors also, instead of doing individually. For bold and like somewhat 18, 14 also enough. Close. I think no, good. as well as next after client ID source location, then just change the color to somewhat like okay dark blue. Good, fine. Just bring them down, bring this down, description, then vehicle number, then client name. Then this also do repeat the same process here. Price, then amount, then height, then width, then length as it is. Okay, so I need text boxes everywhere and one date chooser. So date chooser to delivery date, then after delivery date we need remaining text boxes, text field, so add here. Next add one more text field, one more text field, then we need one more text field for description. Just simply drag and drop, and I need one more text field for source location, one more text field for length, then one more text field for width, then one more text field for height, then amount, one more text field for price, one more text field for remark. Almost 11 text field were selected here. Okay guys, fine. Just change the variable names for all the text fields and date choosers. So let me give the variable names. So here I need client ID, text field. I want to go for client ID, because variable names plays major role instead of using 1 2 3 4. So here is client name, here is I need vehicle number, right click, change variable name, vehicle number, then here is, let me add for description, then after description let me add for source location. Skip, so give the variable name, I just change variable name, source location, then here is length, as well as let me add here change variable name, date delivery, then here is change variable name, then this is a for length, length, length. Let me go for width or weight. Instead of width, let me go for weight or weight. Edit text, not width, WEIGST, and here I need to go for width, weight. Right click, weight in kg or ton, WEIGST, weight. Then here height, then here amount, then here price, then here remark. Okay guys, so now let's remove the values were set almost. So right click, edit text, remove, right click, edit text, remove all, right click, edit text. Otherwise before removing all the values, let me check the amount 14. So let me select all fields except JDate chooser, and we'll set a common, so here bold and around 14. Okay, enough. And color, let us go for not this. Okay, fine. Now so here edit text, just remove the values, right click, edit text, remove the values, edit text, right click, edit text, remove the values from all the JText field, right click, edit text, remove all, right click, edit text, remove all, right click here also, edit text, remove all the values. I don't want placeholder values to be by default as it is. Now let's go for operations. We need, what are the operations we have to do? Like clear, save, delete, edit, print. We need 5 buttons here. Just drag and drop 5 buttons. You can see OK button here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. Okay, so increase the width. Once you increase the width, then okay, all buttons set. So this is for clear or reset, This is for insert or save, The next maybe delete or update, okay, update, right click, delete or remove. Here we'll go for edit text, update or edit, and finally print. Okay guys, so you can set the icons. Clear, already we added the image just in yesterday's session only. So let me go for clear, hit OK, close, right click, insert or save. So properties, icons, select your images. Already, actually why the images folder appears here, because in yesterday's session or in the last session only, we have added images folder and copied some icons and images into our already created images folder. So because of that reason, you can see the images folder and specific images. If you are new to today's class, then please refer yesterday's one. Then here I want to go for remove. I need cross mark. I want to remove. Yes, delete, close. Then update, properties, then icons, images. So here go for images, update, hit OK, close. So right click, print, and icons, select here images, select here print, search for print. There might be two printer icons. I'm looking for small one, close. Okay guys, almost done. So change somewhat height and width. Instead of 11, let me go for 12, bold, and color to somewhat, looking for somewhat like a dark blue. Hit OK. Okay guys, fine. Just see how it looks now. This will run, dry run, before going to write the logic for. So go to transactions. Okay, but it is moving left. Let me arrange once again up to where it is moving. Okay, it has shifted to left somewhat. So let me arrange manually where how it has shifted. I think I have to merge somewhat. Why? I think this panel had shifted. Bring these operations also in and make it smaller. And currently I'm not looking for events now. Control check. I'm not looking for event. Okay, then scroll up. I think we have to move this table also, as well as this table panel also. And how do I manage? Somewhat left. It should come. Okay, let me try once again. Is it appears within the frame or not? Yes, it's more than enough to me. This is more than enough. Okay, fine. So you can perform your operations: clear, save, insert, update, delete, and print. Okay, fine. Almost done. And just close it. Now we shall go for changing the events. So this is for clear button. Right click, change variable name, reset. This is for save, change variable name, reset button. Okay, let me check what do I change variable name. This is for reset. Right click, change variable name, reset. No, not reset, it should be save. Now right delete, change variable name. So I am deleting here, delete button, and here update. Right click, change variable name. So this is for update or edit. and this is for print. Right click, change variable name. This is for print. Okay guys, done, almost done. Now first of all we'll go for now my design is ready. Almost my design is ready. Okay, so here is change variable name, client, change variable name, transaction, change variable name, date items. Okay, leave it. Once design and everything is done, then let us create the database table. Let us create the database table, or we can go for applying the listener also. So let us apply the listener. Right click, events. Otherwise we'll go step by step instead of going here. So design the transaction.java frame by adding another 3 JPanels into the body section. That is the body panel to perform add, save, edit, update, and to show the data as well as search, clear, reset operations on the transaction information data. So already we added. So one JPanel for transaction details, one JPanel for transaction data, and here is for page down. Here is for operations, and this is for details. So once we finish the design task, then we shall proceed for database operations. So let us create the database table in MySQL. Let us create the database table in MySQL. So here I am using MySQL database. You can see here MySQL 5.5 command line client. So in yesterday's sessions we have already worked root, show databases, use inventory, so show tables. So you can see here client info, select star from client underscore info. So these are the information which are already entered, and instead of going through this, I would like to use my inventory in this way. So this is my client info. Okay, fine. Yesterday's mote agro and everything. Now let us create the table. So I'm trying to create the table by using SQL yoke, that is delivery table. So create the delivery table. Okay, in MySQL database by using either you can use command prompt client, or you can use right click and left click. Simply I'll go for copy and paste. So create table if not exist. What is the name? That is delivery table, serial number int 11 not null, and it's an auto increment, id integer, name varchar, truck number, that is vehicle number. You can use truck number or you can use vehicle number, your wish, not to worry. Okay, fine. Descriptions, loading place, delivery date, length, weight, height, amount, price, total amount, delivery amount, due amount, the advance, remark, and my primary key is serial number. So right click, copy. I copied my table structure. So we have to create the table, that is delivery table. Okay, and it contains these number of columns like serial number, id, name, truck number, or you can call vehicle number, description, loading place, delivery date, length, weight, height, amount, price, total amount, delivery amount, due amount, advance, remarks, and finally primary key is serial number. Okay guys, so here is copy. Let me copy and go to the query panel and pasted. So select here inventory, already created database, inventory, and here execute all queries. So you can see here 0 rows affected. History, when you go to history, you can see here create table, delivery table if not exist, and just refresh object browser, expand inventory. So once you expand inventory, you can see the delivery table, show table data. Yes, table is created, but there is no data here. But table is created now. Let us proceed for next step. Let us apply the listener or event on a clear button to vanish all the contents or data or information from text field, text area and date fields. Did I apply text area here? Let me check once again. There is no text area. These are text fields and date chooser. Okay, fine. So let me clear all the fields. Okay, fine. So where I am now? I'm here. So right click on the clear button or reset button. Events may not be visible. So events action performed. Which event you are going to proceed? So right click on the clear events action performed. Okay, action performed. So reset button. So delete. So reset button to clear all the fields information. Okay guys, fine. So let me clear all the fields. So let's go one by one. So jtext field client id dot set text of I want to go for null. So let me copy all this information and go for one by one. Jtext field client name test. Next client name done. Let's go for jtext field vehicle or truck number. Let's check once again. Yes, it's vehicle number. Set text null. Okay, fine. Then we'll clear the date also. We'll clear the date. JDate chooser, control space, JDate chooser, date delivery, then set date. You cannot apply set text. Next, after this I need source location, jtext field source location. Next jtext field I need to set the for length dot then let me go for weight set text to null, then jtext field height, then I want to go for height set text to null, jtext field, then amount, let me go for amount, then jtext field, after amount let me go for the price, then jtext field, what is last now, remark, I think so, remark. Okay, done. So let us try run. So go to transaction and I'm entering some dummy data. Client name Ganesha, transport vehicle number MH 21G 9976, some dummy. Okay, description, then what they are trying to bring, the charcoal for electricity, delivery date, I assume maybe some dummy date I'm trying to enter here, and I forget to set the date format, guys. Keep in mind, change the date format here, but let me clear. I'll change the date format. Source location maybe from Gandhinagar, Gujarat, length some 23, weight 30 tons, height don't know, but let me enter approximately, amount 10, 20, price 5 rupees kg, remark will be delivered soon. Okay, so reset. Yes, it is resetting. Description, I think I forget to set for description. I'll change now. Reset, description is left, description will clear, and we'll change the date format. We'll change the date format because I forget to change the date format here. So change the date format also, and description. So go to here, description, j text field. Where is my description? Dot set text. Okay, and go to design. Just go to design. So deliver date, right click, properties. So where is my date format? You can see here. So date format string, you can see here. So d that is date, month, and y. I don't want this date format. I want to go in d home y hyphen hyphen dd format, hyphen month, year, month, and date. Okay, so just see once again in this format, close. So don't forget to change. Okay, change variable name, properties, and just go to year, month, date, year, month, and date. Okay, fine. So in this form, so let me get the list. Let me get this date. Control C, and in the design phase only, let me add set the date format for jdate chooser, date delivery is ddmm. Okay, fine. In this format, please don't forget. Okay, let us add the event on jtext field. Let us add the event on jtext field. Let me try run and check it is coming in the same date format or not. So transactions, so here, yes, 2008 12 11, 2008 12 11, maybe 26. Okay, 12 26. I need to increase the font, so let me increase the font also. So delivery date, so where is the font? Font is not there. Okay, foreground color is there. We'll change the foreground color. Okay, set. Okay guys, so client, now next we'll apply the listeners. Please excuse guys. Now the listener is insert or save button. Insert or save button. Okay, fine. So we'll proceed for next step. Add first of all, we'll add a key release event. We'll add the key release event on JText field client ID. Okay, so let us add the key release event. So this is my client ID. Let's check it once. Let me close this. Add key release event on JText field client ID. So select the client ID, right click, events, key released. Okay, can you see here? Client, right click on client ID text field, events, key and key released. Just hit right click of the mouse. Now here we'll search the clients. So this is for searching the contents from clients underscore info. Oh, this hiccup. For searching the contents from clients table. Okay guys, so key release. So let me get the first prepare statement. Let me get MySQL client, MySQL connect. Then get connection method, hold into connection reference. Now I received a connection. Now let me work with now my business persistence logic, and here is my catch block. So here is exception E. Let me, I think I have to import here. Just let me import page up. Import java.sql.connection. Page down. Connection imported. Now let us proceed for string ID. Let me get the ID, client ID. Now JText field client ID dot get text semicolon. Let me print this client ID. This is from transaction table, transaction class. Okay guys, fine. So let me create the query. So select client name from client underscore info table, where ID, I can put here ID also, CID plus double quote, then single quote. There is single quote, double quote, double quote, single quote, double quote. Okay, this is my query. Now I need statement. You can use prepared statement or you can use simple statement also, not to worry. Then let me import the statement. Imported result set rs is equal to st dot execute query. Here I need, this is my query, semicolon. Okay guys, so string name is now null, initially empty. Then let me create some variable, total amount paid, comma total paid amount, comma total discount, comma total delivery, comma total calculation. If rs dot next of, then println so here block. What do I need next? Let me set the name, just a name, text field, client name dot set text. Now I want to set here name. If rs dot next is false, then within the if, then text field client name dot set text is null. We'll go for else block. If it is available, then we'll proceed for setting the text. Then copy, pasted, copy and paste. So here instead of this, then let me get the name rs dot get string one semicolon, and here I want to pass that name. That's it. If any error occurs, option pane dot show message dialog, and the message is error, where in the transaction client ID key released event error. Okay guys, fine. So let's dry run and close this existing and rerun once again. Go to transaction data items. When I enter client ID, you can see here Mansoft. Close 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, nothing is there for 6, 7, nothing is there, 8, nothing is there, 9, nothing is there. Okay, fine. So client ID is coming and we are setting the name to the client name text field. Okay guys, fine. So now close. Up to here done. We'll proceed for next step. Let us apply the event. Let us apply the event on the save button to insert, to apply the event to save the button to insert all the contents or data or information from text field or text area or date fields to the database table. Okay, here is not client informations, here is the delivery table. Okay. Okay guys, fine. This is the logic. Page up, page up, page up, page up, page up. We'll go for this logic creation now. Let us apply the event on the save button. So here is my save button. Go to design, scroll left, save, right click, events, right click, events, action, action performed. Okay. Logic to insert the transaction items details to delivery table. Okay guys, fine. So here let me get the MySQL connect. I think I forget to close the connection here. Let me close the connection in the finally block. If rs.next, not rs, if connection is not equal to null, then con.close. It's good practice to close the connection. This may throw the error, so let me keep in try block. Here is catch block. Here is exception E, then key event error, con.close. Okay guys, fine, done. MySQL connect, new MySQL connect, then I need connection, assignment operator, get connection, semicolon, then here I got the connection also. After connection is retrieved, once you receive the connection, once we receive the connection, then we'll proceed for now. Not required that. Last time I created it here, unnecessary, not required, Control X, because those are useless. Let me paste here, double amounts and everything. So amount, assignment operator, double dot parse double. So here let me go for jtext field, amount dot get text semicolon. So next I need to go for rate also, double rate, or you can go for price. You can call price double get for price get text field. Let me go for price dot get text. So here is get text. Okay, fine. Double, let me go for delivery. Then so here I need amount into rate, total delivery amount. Next I need prepared statement, yes semicolon, Control X. Let me keep here only prepared statement. Then now I need double total, initialize with the 0. I need again double, one more variable double, then total 1 is initialized with the 0. Okay, now try block. So here is my catch block. Exception E. So within the try block, let me keep here string. Let me create query. So here select total underscore delivery from client underscore info. So let me check it here, from client underscore info, total delivery you can see here. So here select total underscore delivery from client underscore info table, where id is assigned with the this network is there. And what the issue? So So here where give your single quote, then plus, then you can pass here j text field, j text field client id dot get text plus double quote single quote. This is my query. So where id you can see here, so don't, you may get confused here, 5 not here 5 single quote, but it's not 5 single quote, it's a double quote, single quote, then double quote. Okay, my query is done. Now I need statement object, statement st, let me get the con dot create statement semicolon. I need result set here, result set rs assignment operator, this st dot execute query. I have to pass query here, query pass automatically, and let me retry the data while rs dot not has more element. I'm looking for next. So here I need rs dot get double and hold this double amount, total delivery amount to total, assign to total. Okay, fine, assign now. Next so total, assign with total plus, let me add here delivery. So here is my delivery, already created a variable, and delivery, this delivery is amount, then total is equal to total plus delivery. Okay, then let me write one more query, SQL to perform operations. So let me update client underscore information table. Let me set total underscore delivery to question mark. I want to use prepared statement here where id question mark. Okay, so you can see here update client info, set total delivery question mark and id question mark. So what the issue here, let me check, cannot find symbol variable SQL. Instead of SQL, let me use query here, QU query. Okay, this is my query, and just for a completed query only, we will go for updating that information now. So where is my prepared statement reference? I think PST, PS or PS, yes, PS. So PS dot, so con dot prepared statement query, so we have passed query, then prepared statement dot set double 1, let me pass here total, and ps dot set int, then 2, let me pass here integer dot parse int of j text field client id dot get text. Okay, fine. Then ps dot execute update, execute update. Fine, more than enough. Then so here j option pin dot show message, show message dialog. So let me set here null, and if any error, so here is my transaction save button, transaction save button. Transaction save button error. Plus B. Okay guys, fine. So after this I have to go for one more try block. So within this try block, let us do some operations now. So let me get the text field java.sql dot get the date. So this is the date, new java.sql dot date. So here I need jdate chooser, that is date delivery. Let me get the date, get date dot get time. Okay guys, get date, get time. Amount. So where is the amount? So amount is here, rate is here. Get that amount assigned with the double dot parse double. Then let me get the value from jtext field amount dot get text semicolon amount received rate. So copy and pasted jtext field price. So here double let us multiply the amount into rate. So let me get the string. Yes is equal to so this is the amount I want to keep in string form. String SQL. Let me create the SQL query here, and after SQL let me get the values. Select total underscore paid underscore amount from client underscore infinite smalls. Google connected now. Okay guys, it's connected. jtext field client id, jtext field client id dot get text. Okay, fine. This is my query. Then I need statement st by using con dot. You can create the statement. Then let me get the result set. Result set res. Then statement dot execute query. We pass here SQL, page down, page up, SQL. Then let me perform same operation while I don't want has more elements, so rs.next is more than enough. rs.next. Next, let me get the total 1 into rs.getDouble. I can pass here 1 column index. Done. Then double, so due amount, that is total minus tot 1, total 1 semicolon. Okay, fine. Then let me write here string due amount, then convert into string, so due semicolon convert into string due, then string total underscore delivery, total delivery, convert into string plus total. Then if you want to add some advance amount, then I want to keep it 0 only. Okay, then after this, if due is greater than or equal to 0, then write some logic. Let me create string SQL1 query 1 double quote semicolon, insert into, what are the column names? Check it here. I want these columns, so from my table, delivery table, so this is my delivery table, I want these columns, so let me extend to left, so delivery table, these columns. Okay, fine. So serial number, ID, name, truck number, these columns, these number of columns are required to me. So insert into delivery underscore table, what are the column names? ID comma name comma truck underscore number. What are the column names? ID, name, truck number, ID, name, truck number, description, loading place. Next, description, loading underscore place, description comma loading underscore space. Next, description, loading place, delivery date, length, weight, height, then length, not length, delivery underscore date, length, length, comma weight. What are the column names after this? Length, weight, height, amount, then height, amount, delivery underscore date, then length, then weight, then height, then amount, then price. Then after price, what are the column next? Total amount, copy, simply I'll paste there, comma, next after total amount, next what is next? I need total delivery, paste, comma, enter. After total delivery, then where is my SQL table? Due amount, comma, name, next space, then due amount, then advance, control V, comma, then what is next? Then remarks. Okay, this is my query, but here also we have to set the values, and these number of question marks. Check it, the column, how many columns? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So ultimately I have to set 16 questions. So question mark, comma, question mark, 2 already I set, control C. Let me copy this, I'll paste one by one. 2 already I set, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Just count once again, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. Okay, done. My query is done. Now just set the values. Now set the values. Now prepare statement dot before setting the values, let me set this query to my prepare statements. So ps con dot prepare statement, let me pass here SQL query and statement ends with a semicolon, and let me set all the parameters with indexes. हाँ गिरी सर, 1 वाजेपर्यंत 2:30 पर्यंत. हो सर, निघतो मी लगेच. हो सर, थँक्यू. Then here ps dot, let me send all the parameters indexes. Ps dot, let me set int. Why set int? Because first is id, set int of 1 comma 1 comma, let me parse into integer dot parse int of, so let me get the values. jtext field, client id, where is my client id? Dot get text, semicolon. Then let me set the name. ps dot set string, so 2 comma maximum are strings only, so let me set for strings, semicolon, control C, control V. Later on we'll change 3 4 5 then 2. So here jtext field, I need client name here, dot get text, okay. Here then next I need, here I have to set the vehicle number, third is truck number, so I can set j text field vehicle number. Where is my vehicle number? Truck number, vehicle number dot get text. Then fourth, where is the fourth? Let me set the description, jtext field, so here is a description dot get text. Then fifth, I need to set the source location, because truck number description loading place, so jtext field source location dot get text, then ps dot, let me, what is next, loading place, then delivery date. Okay, so in the delivery date I have to convert into SQL date, set date, here it's 6, then let me check what is date here. Yes, you can set this date also, already created data. Okay, fine. So this date, just scroll down, date already were converted now. Then I need doubles, ps dot set double, then here I don't want to set here, and let me keep here as it is. So double dot parse double, because I want to use copy paste. What is the next column after 6th? First, second, third, delivery date. Next is length. Okay, so jtext field, let me set here length dot get text dot toString at max, not required. Okay guys, so control C. So how many doubles I have to keep? हॅलो 12 वाजता 12:30 बसा ठेवतो फोन. So here I need 1 2 3 4 5 6, control Z, 7 8, some extra I want to keep, remaining I will remove. So here is 7 for 7th column, here is for 8th column, here is for 9th column, here is for 10th column, here is for 11, here is for 12, here is for 13, here is for 14, then advance, up to advance, here is for 15. Okay, more than enough. So length is done. After length I need weight, and next is weight, so go for weight. Next, after weight I need for height, search for height. Next, after height I need for amount. Then after this I need for price. So where is price? After price I need to convert these values. I don't require all this stuff now. Because these are the calculated values. So let me keep here, yes, dot toString, this value already we are calculated here. The next I want to keep here total delivery, code underscore delivery dot toString. Then I want to keep here for due amount dot toString. Then I want to keep here for last advance, so any advance dot toString. Okay guys, fine. So almost I set now. Now ps dot, let me execute update, prepare statement dot execute update semicolon, and let me keep everything here. I'm in j option pane dot show message. null records saved successfully. SUCC successfully. So here you can use if also, if block, if you can use here result side also int I. So if I is greater than or equal to 1, then you can call records saved successfully to database table. So whose record you have saved? Transaction. That is for transaction. And for which transactions, for which user transaction, let me use here client name. So jtext field ID, this may not be visible to all, let me keep it somewhat now here, jtext field ID. So let me append here jtext field client name dot get text. Where is my get text? And may not be visible, so let me, okay guys, fine. Else, in the else block, failed record failed. So into database failed. Try again. Try again. Okay, fine boss. So saved now. Let me go for this if. So here is, let me go for end of if. Let me go for else block now. Within the else block, let me create the query here again. This is my due amount, due is equal to due into -1. So I want to keep due as negative. Let me add due here, add assign with the double quote. Let me keep in string form, then keep here due. Okay guys, let me create the query SQL1. We create string SQL1. I think we forget to keep here somewhat change. So one parameter is left now. Set string. Here is the 16th parameter, 16 column now. So jtext field. Where is the remark? Remark dot get text. So this I forget. Please add the remark parameter. Remark index to prepared statement. Okay, done. This is almost done. Now go for here SQL query. I think query is same. I need same logic. Just what you do. So simply copy above SQL query up to ps dot setter methods. Okay, fine. Keep in else block. Fine. So up to here, copy here, up to here, copy. Okay, so right click, copy. Okay, I'm telling once again, I'm showing once again. So copy these contents, first select all the contents up to if, up to else. Okay, fine. So copy this block, home, right click, copy this block and scroll down paste to here. So right click, pasted now. Okay, fine. So I need same query. So insert into delivery table ID, name, truck number or vehicle number, description, loading place, because here we are trying to add some div. Okay, that div, because of this div value, the whole query is changing. Insert into delivery table ID, name, truck number, description, loading place, delivery table, delivery date, length, weight, height, amount, price, total amount, delivery amount, total amount, due amount, total amount, total delivery, then due amount, advance and remark, then set 16 question mark. That's it. So here it must be SQL1, SQL1, and here also SQL1, here also SQL1, this SQL1, because we have to use this SQL query, not above SQL query, this SQL query to be here. Okay, fine. SQL1, scroll down, here also SQL1, here also SQL1. Okay, fine. Then similarly here also we have pasted up to here, execute update. If I is greater than or equal to 1, then transaction record saved. Okay, then failed. So let me keep here in the else block. So within the else, this is within the if 2, else 2. For my info, later on we'll remove, and here if 1, and here else 1. Why? Because if your div is 0, if your advanced div is greater than or equal to 0, need not to add some div, and if your div is less than the 0, then we have to add the div. So because of that reason, the logic has been changed somewhat a little bit, and the logic of adding the value to our existing one. So up to here else block, second else. So this div has been increased. That's it. This div has been increased. Div add. Okay. Where is my div? Let me check here. Okay guys, just scroll down and it's a time to run. So let me keep some exception blocks. So I need here J option pin dot show message. So here is null, and keep here just something like error transaction button saved catch block error. So here is E. That's it. And finally let me close the connection. Finally, if con is not equal to null, then con dot close let me keep in try block. So here is catch block. Why is extra? Try without catch. It's not required. This is not required. And here let me keep here one extra. Logger dot, let me use get logger. Let me import the logger first. Transaction dot get class. Get name, then dot log. Let me pass here level. See where. Then I need null. Let me import the logger. The logger is not importing. Okay, triple G. Now let me import Java logging. Logger imported now. And disconnected. Okay guys, fine, let us try now how it works. Go to transaction data items. So I'm dry running, so hit the 1 2 take food, vehicle number MH21G9976. description, maybe I'm trying to bring somewhat like computer peripherals. then delivery date, maybe some dummy date I'm trying to add here, somewhat like July 1st, and source location maybe from, it is coming from Bangalore, length of dummy length, weight 20 kg each, height don't know exactly but somewhat dummy, not 20 kg, it's 2 kg each. Okay, in tons now, 2 tons, then amount maybe suppose 2000, 200 or 2000, price 20 each, in the case of dollars. Remark, laptop and desktops, laptop comma desktop. So insert or save, hit the insert or save button. It is telling that transaction button saved. Catch block error. What is the error? Your error check manual corresponding to version, right syntax, use near to at line 1. So somewhere my query problems, let me check here. My query might have created some problems. 1 2, let me check the query. ID comma name, insert into delivery table, name, truck number, description, loading table. Which error? Let me check the error where the error is. So let me check that error once again. Let me hit insert, MySQL server version, right syntax, use near to at line 1. Where is my syntax? SQL query 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So insert into delivery table, ID, number, truck number, description, loading place, delivery date, length. JText field, client ID, near to. Let me print the query. I may not print here query also because I have the question marks. Set int integer dot parse int. To string. Dot to string. So I think to string I applied everywhere. So let me close all these informations. Let me try once again. So close window and rerun, save, rerun the application. Transaction data items. So here client ID 1, Mansoft, maybe vehicle number some 12DD 2341, description, computers, some dummy date, source location Bangalore, length 22, height 10 tons, weight 10 tons, height 2, amount 200, price 20, remark laptops, insert. Again it is telling that transaction button saved, catch block error, use near line 1. Okay, single quote. So where is my single quote? ID. Integer dot parse int, insert into delivery underscore table, ID name truck, jtext field client ID dot get text dot toString. Yes, it's true. Set string, set string, set string, set string up to 5. Set date, get date, get time. Length, weight, height, amount, price. This might be creating error here. Oh. The error is here, guys. Here. The error is here. Okay. Error is here. So here double quote. So here is I need double quote plus double quote single quote. So this is the mistake. Please correct. Keep in mind here, keep double quote, and then single quote, double quote, single quote, double quote. At that time the network got disconnected and I was paying anyway. Instead of making excuses, the error is corrected now. Anything else? So let me check it. Next, anywhere else? Here already done. The error was here. Okay, fine. So dry run, close. Transactions. So 2 tech fort vehicle number, dummy are something 12 SS 12, description computers, delivery date, then source location, then Mumbai, length 10, weight 15 tons, height 2, amount 100, price each 200, the remark laptops, laptop, mouse, then keyboard, then laptop, mouse, keyboard, then desktop. Okay, insert. Now again issue, transaction button saved, catch block error, data too long for column, remarks. So I think I have to change the column size. What is the column size here, guys? We have set alter table, go to inventory, variable table, delivery table, right click, alter table, not manage indexes, right click, alter table, just varchar, instead of 20 go for 40. Okay, here remarks, if you want to change any size description, maybe you want to change here 40 remarks description, truck number also you can change, ID name you can change everything, so 40. Okay, your wish. So like this you can change all the information. So alter here, table altered, fine. Now you won't see any error. Where is my window? Now insert, save. You can see here Techfort India Private Limited, transaction record saved successful database table 1. If 1, just pay attention, if 1. Why if 1? Because when you go to database, so let me refresh into my database, refresh, it has been inserted Techfort and all the informations. Total amount is 20,000s, 48,000s, 48,000s, and advance is 0. So one thing is, keep your mind why it has become first if block. Record is inserted, why it has reached to if first if block. First if, see here, first if, this if, because our due was greater than or equal to 0, greater than or equal to 0. Fine, so that's what it has entered into first if block. And you can see here Techfort client info, Techfort second, total due is total delivery, so inserted discount and total amount paid. Okay, fine. So this is the record. Okay boss, so record insertion successful, but we haven't cleared the field. We have to clear the field also. We have to clear the field also after inserting. We can anyhow we can hit the clear button, hit OK. Whenever we hit the clear, no matter. Like this, you can go for 3 Ajit seeds. What can I say? Rice seeds. Then description, vehicle number, sorry, MH33 BB something 3412. Descriptions, rice seeds. Oh, rice seed. Then delivery date, somewhat like some dummy. Source location, from it is bringing from Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Length each has 2 feet. Weight is around 13 tons. Height is around 1 feet. Amount 200 each bag. Price, sorry, total amount is 200. Price is 20 rupees, suppose, assume, and will be delivered on next 7 days. Insert or save. So Ajit seeds saved successful database. Okay, and you can clear also. Clear. So let me go for, instead of 2, we go for 1 and inserted. So you can go to database and refresh, not this one, delivery table, refresh. You can see here 1 2 3 1 2 1 1 2 3. Okay, ID. Fine guys, so you can change these informations as well as some descriptions, like they need maybe transformer, some date like May 15th, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Length suppose 5 feet, weight suppose 18, height around 10 feet, amount don't know exactly how much, but I'm entering dummy. Price suppose 15. Generate electricity, insert, saved. Okay, fine, go to database and refresh. Okay guys, so data is inserted. So you can scroll left also, it has 16-17 columns. So because of this issue, you can refer all the information like this. Okay, fine boss. Okay boss, fine, then we'll go for updating next we can clear the field also. We can call the clearing the fields, At last you can clear. If you are not happy with this, simply call J button where print reset and pass here event. Simply so calling reset event, okay. So recall once again, copy, Control C, copy, right click, copy. So copy it, scroll down and copy here also. Okay, hold on, don't copy here. Control X. So better to paste here. Okay. And here extra flower bracket. Then scroll down. So add one extra flower bracket. Paste here also, calling the reset event. So to clear all the controls automatically. Once data is saved to database, Control C. Okay guys, fine. So done. Now next, after this we'll go for next. We'll go for next, as well as we have to call update, but let me complete this first. Update, almost done. We'll go for update table. We'll go for add update JTable. Fine. Add update JTable. Okay, fine. So we'll add a method. Okay guys, anyhow it's too late. Let me continue this topic tomorrow or in next day. So guys, I think it's time to stop. It's almost 2 hours. So let's stop current session, and we shall continue tomorrow. We shall continue remaining session, remaining operations on transaction form or page. Remaining operations like update, comma delete, comma print, update, delete, print, then JTable. Okay, showing the data, showing transaction, data items to JTable from database table on transaction form page. Okay, I think we shall continue tomorrow. Anyhow, let me know your feedback. So please subscribe to channel. Please subscribe, share, like, comment guys. Thank you for watching.